Hello friends, in this video we're gonna solve these two tasks. As you can see, we need to find the areas of the shaded regions. So look at the first task. Here we need to work with the circle. Let's memorize. What was the area of the circle? PR square, and the area of the sector, PR square divided by 360 degrees and multiplied to n. N here is the degree of the angle. We need these two formulas to solve our task. And also we have our radius, we have the angle of this sector, which is not shaded. This area is our segment. Segment is the region that is bounded by an arc and a chord of the circle. Arc is this part, and our chord is this line. So the smaller our angle is, the smaller our arc is gonna be. So our sector is the bigger one, so this bigger sector, and we need to find the area. Let me mark this angle by alpha. This is alpha, and the alpha is equal to 360 degrees minus 150. Sector is this formula, PR is our 7 squared divided by 360 multiplied to, this is gonna be 210 degrees. 210. So these can be cancelled. So 7 cubed times P divided by 12. This is 49 divided by 2 times 1 over 2. That is gonna be 12.25 centimeters square. Now we will just add these two to find the area of the shaded region. Shaded region, okay? This stands for shaded region. That is adding area of the sector to area of AOB triangle. Plus 12.25. That is 102 centimeters square. Let's make it even harder. If they ask us to find the area of this unshaded region, what should we do? Of course, we just need to subtract the big portions area from the whole circle's area, and that would be easy. There are also other ways to find the answer of this part, like finding the area of this sector and subtracting the triangle's area. Or there is another formula, let me write it here. The area of segment is r squared divided by 2 times n, the degree of this angle, divided by 360 minus sinus of this angle. You can apply this short formula for finding this segment's area.